How's it going, everybody? My name's Sugarcat, and welcome back to another Hamilton reaction. This one is continuing the journey on at the White House, where we can clearly see a delightful assortment of some of the main characters that we have. I'm not even sure what song they're singing, because it doesn't actually list it on the title, but thank you once again to all of you for supporting these videos and these reactions, especially the Hamilton community. If you want to check out the full unedited reaction, it's over on my Patreon, patreon.com/Sugarcatplays. So I'm really excited to get into this. They're all looking totally dapper. Except for Lynn, who's wearing jeans at the White House, but we'll forgive him for that. Okay.
How does a bastard, orphan, son of a whore,
Oh.
dropped in the middle of a forgotten
Oh, they sound so, they're so in sync with each other. I guess from years of doing it.
The $10 founding father without a father got a lot farther by working a lot harder.
Each one of them has such a distinctive voice. Very, very good sounding. It's like a buffet for my ears.
And every day while slaves were being slaughtered and carted away across the waves.
I'm such a huge Daveed Diggs fan now, by the way.
Inside he was longing for something to be a part of. The brother was ready to beg, steal, borrow, or barter.
Then a hurricane came.
He almost knocked his mic over.
Rained. A man saw his future dripping down the drain. Put a pencil to his temple, connected it to his brain, and he wrote his first refrain, a testament to his pain. Well, the word got around. They said this kid is insane, man. Took up a collection just to send him to the mainland. Get your education. Don't forget from whence.
That's a hard part to sing.
Gonna know your name. What's your name, man? Alexander Hamilton. My name is Alexander Hamilton.
I love that quietness.
There's a million things I haven't done. But just you wait. Just you.
Oh yeah, that.
When he was 10, his father split, full of it, debt-ridden. 2 years later, sick Alex and his mother bedridden, half dead, sitting in their own sick.
Oh my gosh, she sounds good.
Alex got better, but his mother went quick.
Love it.
Moving with the cousin committed suicide, left him with nothing but ruined pride. Something new inside, a voice saying, Alex, you gotta fend for yourself. He started.
I never realized that so much of the main cast pushed it's called the company voices.
He would have been dead or destitute without a sense of restitution. Started working, knocking for his late mother's landlord, trading sugar cane and rum and all the things he can't afford, scamming for every book he can get his hands on, planning for the future.
Nice.
See him now as he stands on the bow.
Oh, it's so good.
Headed for a new land in New York. You can be a new
Okay.
man.
Oh my god. It sounds so good. Wow. I'm hearing more and more of how each other parts were different throughout this. Wow. 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 Nice. Wait, how are they gonna do this last part? Okay, I'm really excited for this.
The ship is in the harbor now. See if you can spot him. Another immigrant coming up from the bottom. His enemies destroyed his
Okay.
America forgot him.
We fought with him.
Me, I died for him. Me, I trusted him.
Me, I loved him.
And me,
Awesome.
I'm the damn fool that shot him.
There's a million things I haven't done, but just you wait.
What's your name, man? Alexander Hamilton.
Nice. Nice. So good. I heard somewhere that stop. I've already recorded this one, yo. It just wants me to hear it again, clearly. I heard somewhere that Daveed Diggs didn't do like live shows and stuff before this, and he was actually like really nervous and self-conscious and anxious about doing it. And that's really surprising considering that he had music out before that, I believe, but he was just so good on stage that you wouldn't think that he was new to it. But as usual, I'm so thankful and appreciative to all of you for suggesting these. And if you want to see the full reaction, please go over to my Patreon and check it out. These are an absolute whale of a time. This whole community, all these shows, all these clips. I just love how amazing this show is and how great the community is. And I'm having so much fun doing this. So if you liked it, please let me know down in the comments and hit the like and subscribe button. And I will see all of you in the next video. Thanks, everyone. Bye.